Hello and good day. This one is Audi A3 and currently we have replaced its starting battery. We have installed Delkor, which is made in Spain and manufactured by Johnson Control International, as you can see. It comes as an original spare part for Audi. We will also show you how to register it in power control module of this vehicle and also remove fault codes which are raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. As you can see, this one is previously installed. Now we are going to perform parasitic draw test. This one is showing 0.72 amps, which is accurate and exact. It should be below 0.8 amps. And you can see that these are all the fault codes which are raised. Right now we are installing scanner in this vehicle and remove all these errors. Currently we are going to register this battery. As you can see that these are all the specifications. उस्मान इसको इसी पे ही करना, ये JCI पे करो. हाँ. Now we will put serial number of this vehicle, serial number of the battery which was manufactured by JCI, Johnson Control battery. Wait karo. As you can see that this one is registered right now. Now we will go and test the health report of this vehicle. वह बंद करो, इमिशन भी ले आओ. Currently system is scanning all these fault codes. Shortly we are going to show you all these details. You can see that system has scanned all these fault codes which are erased. Now we will clear. As you can see that fault code which are raised in engine control module was now gone, and now one by one we will remove all these errors. Thanks for watching Wajidsons, Pakistan.